I have this 2019 Freightliner Cascadia with a DD15 engine, and today I'm going to show you how to do a regen. If you have an older Cascadia, you're gonna have a switch in here, but in this case, because we have a newer style, we don't have any switch, so everything has to be done with the dashboard. So we are going just to go to the truck over there. See that truck? Let's zoom it a little, right there, and then we have to scroll down to here, and then we have to press OK, and we have to press OK again. And that is how you do regen on a Freightliner Cascadia with a DD15 engine. I'm pretty sure you already know this process, but I'm just letting you know in case you don't know it. It's a very basic process, but here is how you do it. And this is going to be only for the newer styles, for 2017 and not Cascadias.